Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction. And the lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are ways to subtract from a number, subtraction sentences, complete the subtraction sentences, subtraction word problems numbers up to 10, and subtraction sentences for word problems number up to 10, right? So we are already working on the chapter subtraction. So what do you know about subtraction? What is subtraction? Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? So subtraction is taking away a number from another one, right? Take away a number from another number, right? And I think you already know how to subtract because we have already done with the chapter subtraction skill builders last week. And so, for example, you have to do 5 take away 2. So, how do you subtract 2 out of 5? You can use any of the method. Either you can make lines or either you can count back, right? Let's just make the greater number is 5. Let's just make 5 lines, right? So remove 2 of the lines because you have to take away 2, right? And you are left with 3. 5 take away 2 is 3. Or either you can use any simple example. For example, you have 5 pencils, color pencils. You have to give 2 of the pencils to your sister. So how many pencils you are left with? That would be 3 pencils, right? The other example is, for example, you have 7 toys, right? You gave away 4 of the toys. So how many toys you are left with? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? 2, 3 or 4? Which option is the correct one? So 7 take away 4 is 3. The correct option is 3, right? So there are so many situations in which you have to take away a number from another number, right? Like I gave 2 of the examples. First one is you have 5 of the pencils. You need to give 2 to your sisters. You need to count the pencils you are left with. So you have so many situations in your real life where you have to use the subtraction, right? So that is a very basic operation for the mathematics. Let's just do practice questions from the lesson. We're going to start with ways to subtract from a number, subtraction sentences, right? So let's just start with the test questions, right? Okay, here are ways to subtract from 5, right? Find a pattern and type the missing subtraction sentences. So you are given some of the ways to subtract from 5, right? You are given 5 take away 0 is 5, 5 take away 1 is 4, then the missing value 5 take away 3 is 2, 5 take away 4 is 1, and 5 take away 5 is 0. Basically, that is a pattern given, right? You need to understand the pattern and you need to find the missing value. So let's just look at the first value. That is a pattern where you are subtracting numbers from 5. You can see the first number is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. That means the first number would be 5, right? You are subtracting 0, 1, 3, 4, 5. So you missed a number between 1 and 3. Which is the number between 1 and 3? That would be 2. So that is 5 take away 2, and when you remove from 2 from 5, you are left with 3. So 5 take away 2 is 3. So that is a subtraction sentence you are missing, right? The correct option is 5 take away 2 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, here are ways to subtract from 10. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence, right? So you have to do the same way. You can see here the first one is the complete line is 10 because you're subtracting from 10, right? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So that means this one is also 10, right? Okay, now just look at the second number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you have a missing number 9 and 10. That means you missed a number between 7 and 9. Which number is between 7 and 9? That will be 8. So 10 take away 8 equals 2. That means option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is 10 take away 8 equals to option 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, here are the ways to subtract from 8. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So which subtraction sentence is missing? Okay, so there you have to find the ways to subtract from 8, right? That means then the first number is 8 because you are subtracting from 8, right? And the next number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after 7, the next one is, that means 8, right? So it would be 8 take away 8 is 0, right? So option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. Here are the ways to subtract from 4. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So which is missing? Very good. The missing one is 4 take away 4 equals 0, right? The missing one is 4 take away 4 equals 0. The second option is the correct one, right? So if you already know the answers, you can please write down the answers in the chat box, right? Okay, the next one is here are ways to subtract from 9. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentences. So which is missing? Yes, that means the missing one is 9 minus 9 minus 3 equals 6, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. The missing one is 9 take away 3 equals 6, right? Okay, here are the ways to subtract from 6. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So, which is missing? Very good. The missing one is 6 take away 1 equals 5, right? The correct option is second one. 6 take away 1 equals 5 is missing, right? Okay, the next one is here are the ways to subtract from 5. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So, which subtraction sentence is missing? Yes, the missing one is 5 take away 0 equals 5, right? The correct one is option number 1. 5 take away 0 equals 5. Okay, here are the ways to subtract from 7. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So, which is the correct option? Which option is the correct one? Very good, it is 7 minus 6 equals 1, right? The correct option is 7 take away 6 equals 1, because you can see here you have already have 7 take away 4 equals 3, right? So that means the missing one is 7 take away 6 equals 1, right? Okay, here are the ways to subtract from 4. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So, which sentence is missing? The correct option is yes, it is 4 take away 2 equals 2 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Here are the ways to subtract from 10. Find the pattern and type the missing subtraction sentence. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 10 take away 1 equals 9. The correct option is 10 take away 1 equals 9, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is complete the subtraction sentences, right? So you are given the sentences, some of the numbers are missing. You need to find the missing number, right? For example, how do you complete the sentence? For example, you are given 4 take away missing number and the answer is 1. You have to find a number, right? So you need to find a number that when subtracted from 4, the answer is 3. Sorry, you need to find a number that when subtracted from 4 and the answer is 1. So Which number from subtracted from 4 makes 1? You can, yes, you can use the subtraction facts. How the subtraction fact is, if you subtract this number from 4, you will get the missing number, right? You need to do 4 take away 1. 4 take away 1 is 3. That means if you subtract 4 out of 4, if you do 4 take away 3, the answer is 1, right? So basically, you can find a missing number by using the subtraction facts. For example, you are given the missing number minus 4 equals 2. Now you have to find the greater number is missing, right? The first number is always greater than the second one in the subtraction. When the greater number is missing, what you have to do, you have to add the other two numbers. You need to do 4 plus 2. That means that is 6. So 6 minus 4 equals 2, right? These are the two ways you can use when you have to find the missing number. Let's just start with the examples. Let's see how do we find the missing number. Okay, find the missing number. 4 take away missing number equals 2. You are given 4 of the options. You can start with the options by checking, right? Let's start with first one. 4 take away 2. 4 take away 2 is 2. That means that is the correct option, right? By chance option 1 is the correct one, right? 4 take away 2 equals 2. Because here you are given with the options, you can just by check different options which is the correct one, right? Fill in the missing number. 5 take away missing number equals 1. So which number is missing? Okay, so you are given with the options, or either you can use the subtraction fact, right? Let's just see how do we use the subtraction facts. Okay, 5 take away missing number equals 1, right? The subtraction fact is, if you subtract this number from the first one, you can get the missing number, right? Let's just do 5 take away 1. 5 take away 1 is 4. That means the missing number is 5 take away 4 equals 1, right? So they are the subtraction facts. Just replace the number right here. 1 is here and 4 is here. Here 4 is here and 1 is here, right? That is a subtraction fact. You just replace the value. If you just swap the numbers, that is the answers, right? So that is 5 take away 4 is 1. So the missing number is 4, right? Okay, the next one is find the missing number. 3 subtract the missing number equals 1. Which is the correct option? The correct option, 3 take away 2 equals 1, right? Very good. The correct option is 2. 3 take away 2 equals 1. Okay, the next one is 5 take away the missing number equals 4. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 take away 1 equals 4. The correct option is 1. Very good. Okay, the next one is 5 take away missing number equals 3. So, which is the correct option? Which option is the correct one? It would be very good. That would be 2. 5 take away 2 equals 3, right? Fill in the missing number. 4 take away missing number equals 3. So, which number is missing? Which option is the correct one? 4 take away missing number equals 3. Which is the correct option? Very good. That would be 4 take away 1 equals 3. Okay, the next one is 4 take away missing number equals 1. So, which is the correct option? Which number is missing? 4 take away missing number is 1. Which number is missing? Very good. The correct option is 4 take away 3 equals 1, right? The next one is 2 take away missing number equals 1. Which is the correct option? That would be 2 take away 1 equals 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just start with the next lesson. And the next lesson, I think the word problems. Okay, subtraction word problems numbers up to 10, right? The next one is the word problems. So let's just start with the word problems. Okay, so the basic thing is you have to understand the question, right? The other thing you have need to know that is you have to subtract the numbers, but you have to understand the question. For example, Sweetie Pie Baking Company had 5 eggs. Then employee used 1 egg to make cookies. How many eggs are left? So they have 5 eggs. One of the egg is used. You need to count how many eggs they have left. You need to do 5 take away 1. So 5 take away 1 is very good. 5 take away 1 is 4. The correct option is 4. That means they have 5 eggs. One of the egg is used and now they have 4 eggs, right? The correct option is 4. The correct option is option number A, B, and C. That would be option number C is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is Jessica's soccer team scored a total of 5 goals in yesterday's game. They scored 3 goals in the first half. How many goals did they score in the second half? So the total goals were 5, right? 4 they did in 3 goals they did in the first half. You need to calculate the goals they did in the second half. So how do you calculate? You need to do 5 take away 3, right? So 5 take away 3 is very good. The correct option is 2. That would be option number A is the correct option. 5 take away 3 is 2. Okay, the next one is yesterday. Yesterday, Ruth took care of her younger brother and sister. She picked up a total of 5 of their toys. Ruth picked one of her brother's toy. How many of the sister's toy Ruth pick up? So the total toys he picked up is 5, right? One of the toys for her brother. How many toys he picked up of her sisters? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 take away 1, right? That means you have to subtract 1 out of 5. So 5 take away 1 is very good. That would be 4. The correct option is option number B, right? Okay, last year Jim's cats caught a total of 4 mice and birds. His cat caught 3 mice. How many birds did Jim's cat catch last year? So the total of the mice and birds were 4, right? And 3 of them were mice. You need to calculate the how many birds she caught, right? So you have to do 4 take away 3. So 4 take away 3 equals 4 take away 3 equals very good. That would be 1. So the correct option is 1. That means one of them is one bird. She caught one catch one bird in the last year. Option number C is the correct option. Dave has a total of 2 letters. He opened one of them so far. How many letters does Dave have left to open? So which is the correct option? The correct option is the total letters were 2, right? Only one of them he opened so far. So you need to do 2 take away 1. So 2 take away 1 equals 2 take away 1 equals, very good, that would be 1. The correct option is 1. Option number C is the correct option. So 2 take away 1 equals 1. Mr. Kemp helped dry the dishes. He dried a combined total of 4 large and small glasses. He dried one large glass. How many small glasses did he dry? So, which is the correct option? The total glasses he dry is 4, right? One of the glass is a large glass. How many small glasses he dry? So, that means you need to do 4 take away 1, right? So, 4 take away 1 equals, very good, that would be 3. That means 3 of the large small glasses he dry. The correct option is 3. Option number C is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next one. The next one is the next one is again the word problem subtraction sentences for word problems. So let's just do a quick review on the word problems. Okay, Mrs. Nelson opened a new box of colored pencils and one fell on the floor. The box says there are total of 5 colored pencils inside. How many colored pencils stayed in the box? You need to write the subtraction sentences that fits the story. Okay. So the color box has a total of 5 pencils, right? How many of the color pencils stayed in the box? Just one fell down, right? So that would be 5, take away 1. And how many pencils, color pencils you are left in the box? That would be 5 take away 1 equals 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. 5 take away 1 equals 4, right? Okay. Jordan has no flowers in his backyard. So he decided to plant a total of 3 roses and daisies. Jordan plants 2 daisies. How many roses does Jordan plant? Write a subtraction sentence that fits the story. Okay, you have to write the subtraction sentence. So the total plants, the total of 3 roses and daisies, right? The total means the total plants are 3, right? 2 of them are daisies. That means you need to calculate the one that are roses. So the total is 3. 2 of them are daisies. So you need to do 3 take away 2, and 3 take away 2 equals, yes, that is 3 take away 2 equals 1. That is the subtraction sentence that best fits the story, right? 3 take away 2 is 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, last week Ballet practiced the song 4 times. If she practiced the song one time on her own, how many times did she practice the song in front of others? So, write a subtraction sentence that fits the story. So, which is the correct option? Which subtraction sentence fits the story? That would be 4 take away 1 equals 3, right? The second one is the correct option. The correct option is 4 take away 1 equals 3. An empty school bus picked up an empty school bus picked up the total of 4 children from school. At its first stop, 3 children got off the bus. How many children stayed on? Write a subtraction sentence that fits the story. The correct option is that is 4 take away 3 equals 1. The correct option is 4 take away 3 equals 1, right? Very good. Okay, the next one is 3 of the pairs of shoes. Three of the pairs of shoes in a particular shoe store are black. There are 5 pairs of shoes in the store in all. How many of the pairs of shoes are not black? So, which is the correct option? So, the total pair of shoes were black, right? 3 of them were black, right? So, the subtraction sentence is 5 take away 3 equals 2. The correct option is 5 take away 3 equals 2, right? Okay, the next one is last year Christina's cat caught a total of 5 mice and birds. Her cat caught 4 mice. How many birds did Christina's cat catch last year? Write a subtraction sentence that fits the story. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 take away 4 equals 1, right? The correct option is 5 take away 4 equals 1. Okay, the next one is Monica has finished reading one page in her library book. The book had a total of 4 pages. How many pages does Monica have left to read? So, which is the correct option? The total pages were 4, right? And she just finished one page. So, which is the subtraction sentence that best fits the story? That would be option number one, right? 4 take away 1 equals 3. Very good. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we're working on is subtraction, and the lessons we have covered today are ways to subtract from a number, complete the subtraction sentences, subtraction word problems numbers up to 10, subtraction sentences for word problems numbers up to 10, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So that's all for today. If you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask question if you have any. No questions?